this is Elaine with Elaine's Creations, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make this card with the Blessings of Home bundle. All right, here is the card with the Blessings of Home bundle, and it is part of the Heart and Home suite, and that can be found in the mini catalog on pages 58 and 59. There's all these beautiful samples, and this is a full collection. It has 2 bundles. So this card is with the Blessings of Home bundle, and then it's got the Hive embossing folder and the denim ribbon. Here's the denim ribbon, very soft and pliable. And we've got the matte dots in all different colors. And we've got doilies in 3 colors: cinnamon cider, misty moonlight, and basic gray. We've got the Memories and More card pack. And I like to share my little trick of what I do with these cards. So you can see you have 10 of these cards and 10 of these cards. So I cut them in half so that I get 20. So now I have 20 of these striped cards, and I have 20 of these cards that I can use to embellish or put on the mini cards as well. And then I just used the Whisper White cards, Memories and More cards in envelopes, and just getting, this very nice, pretty, simple card, but getting all these cards ready to give away, to use as gifts. So you could also do like a little doily there. That's super cute. And then put the flower there. But, and then last but not least is the DSP, which is always super fun. So this is the first bundle, Blessings of Home. And then the second bundle is the Honeybee Home, and it has these 3 bee dies, and it's super fun because they cut out the little bees in the DSP. So you got that bee, and this bee's not on this page, but this bee does cut one of the bees out as well. So here's the 3 bees out of the paper. So super cute to use on a card. And then what I love is the back of each one has this gray wood grain in all different patterns. So I love gray and I love wood grain, so perfect. So really fun paper. So for this card, I am actually going to start with some of the Memories and More paper and DSP paper. So I have a Misty Moonlight card base, and then this is one of the card bases that I cut down from the kit. So I'm just going to adhere this down. I like the design on it. I like the Misty Moonlight stripes. And then I'm gonna add some of the DSP. This is 3.5 by 5.5 tall. So I made it the full length, height, for some added interest. And I'm just gonna center this. And then this is also one of the cards from the Memories and More kit. It's one of the mini cards. So I'm just going to pop this up on dimensionals. And I just like all the different colors and textures that we have on this card. Makes the card super interesting. Okay, so there we have all of our fun little background pieces. So now I'm gonna add some denim ribbon, and I'm just going to put some adhesive across here. Make sure it sticks. And I'm gonna put it where I'm going to place the doily. So it'll be hidden. I'll just stick that on there. And then I'm gonna trim up these bottom pieces here. So we need these trimmed right there. And then I'm gonna add a doily with some dimensionals. And then we get to the fun part, the flowers and the coloring. So this is an easy way to add some color to your card. I've already stamped out "Have a perfect birthday," so I'm just going to go ahead and adhere that down as well. And this is fun because I'm going to stick it on the side here. I'm just going to put it right in there, line it up. So there's our little sentiment. Okay, so now we can do the flower. So I've already stamped and started coloring some of the flower. So I have stamped using the Memento black ink, and that is what you want to use when you color with the blends. So I'm going to grab all my colors here. I have a Daffodil Delight for the centers. So I'm just going to put some dark, and I'm going to just add it to all the shaded areas. Oh, and I got to do these little centers too. And then I've already started coloring the pale papaya flowers, but now I'm going to go back and add some more dark to the shaded spots to give it some more text, more dimension, more contrast. And so I've already started, I did dark on the fresh freesia flowers. So now I'm just going to color in with the light fresh freesia. And then I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to come back with the dark, and I'm going to draw on all the shaded areas with the dark. And just add more contrast. I really, really like the contrast. Okay, and then the rest is just jade. And so again, I'm just gonna add, and this one's pretty dark, so I'm just gonna be adding just the littlest bit so I can keep the contrast. Okay, now we have this one all colored and cut out. So I'm going to add some dimensionals to this one. All right, now I've got this cut out and it's all colored and shaded. So I'm just gonna add some dimensionals, and then we can add it to the card. Maybe one more. Maybe a little one down here. Okay, so there we go. There's our beautifully colored card with blends. So I'm offering a free card kit when you purchase either the Blessings of Home or the Honeybee Home bundles, or place a $40 order using my current host code. Just email me and let me know that you would like the Heart and Home card kit, and I will send it right out to you. Thank you for watching my video tutorial on this fun coloring technique. I hope you try it out. And if you like this video, please give it a like and leave a comment, and be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the notification bell so that you know every time I go live or post a new video. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.